see a subway rail. Uh-oh. What happened here?
This is the FBI?
Yeah, we hear about that.
Yeah.
That's him.
You can see we've had a little issue here. I don't know what's going on, but I got a little reading. There was some kind of earth. Oh, okay. Seems like we're getting a little aftershock. Folks, just please remain seated. Just a little quiet. We're used to that around here in Hollywood. All right, take a look on the left. Smoke. Ooh, sound effects. Oh, I don't like the spark stuff. Oh no. On the right hand side, the guy's about to buckle and break just a bit. Wait. Turn the second floors down, guys. Stop the train. Guys, you're gonna hit it. Something. And for people that didn't get wet on the right-hand side during the flash flood,